Welcome to today's episode where we're diving into a topic that intrigues many, especially those sporting an unruly beard. What's your take on beard care?
It's indeed an interesting subject. A beard is like a garden on your face. It requires consistent care to prevent it from becoming more tangled than your headphone wires. Have you ever experienced that?
Oh, definitely. Sometimes it feels like my beard has a mind of its own. Do you have any advice on how to tame this wild beast?
Absolutely. Begin with washing your beard using a gentle shampoo and brush it daily. Are you already following this routine? Or is there room for improvement in your technique?
Honestly, I sometimes forget, but I certainly don't want to appear like a yeti on my podcast. Should I be concerned about how I dry it?
For sure. Pat your beard dry gently instead of rubbing it and aim to trim the ends every couple of weeks. How are you managing your grooming tools?
I rely on a vintage razor, but I think an upgrade is overdue. Do you have any specific recommendations?
Definitely steer clear of razors from the 80s. Also, ensure you get enough sleep and include zinc in your diet. Curious about a secret Hollywood actors often keep under wraps?
Absolutely. Do I need to resort to mammoth hormones for this?
No need for mammoth hormones. It's much simpler. Just use a drop of rozino oil before bed and you'll wake up with a beard worthy of the silver screen. Interested in giving it a try?
Rozino, the cupid of bearded men, sounds intriguing. Do you believe it really delivers results?
It's the perfect finishing touch to ensure your girlfriend won't be scared off by your beard. No endorsements here, just a heartfelt recommendation. Are you ready to give it a shot?
Definitely. I envision it making the beardless green with envy. Time to make my beard the talk of the town.